Welcome back to another episode where we're going to sum up July's income. We're just starting day 38 of the project, and as a reminder, our goal is to reach $1 million over the next 5 years. Before we start, I want to note that this video and all topics discussed are for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. In today's update, we'll go over July's dividends and interest from our HISA accounts and a redeemed GIC. This month, we received interest from both the Canadian and U.S. HISA, as well as 3 dividends, all from ETFs. Let's start with Vanguard VCNS. It is an all-in-one asset allocation ETF holding a mix of other Vanguard funds, targeting a long-term strategic asset allocation of roughly 40% equity and 60% fixed income. It's built for conservative investors who want steady income and modest growth with lower volatility rather than aggressive gains. The dividend is paid quarterly, and I held 200 units, for which I received $40.80. Next up is another Vanguard ETF, VDY. It focuses on Canadian companies with the highest dividend yield, with its portfolio built mainly around the financial sector, which makes up more than half of its total value. The dividend is paid monthly, and in July we received $29.74 for the 168 units we hold. The next envelope is an ETF from BlackRock iShares. XEI also targets high dividend income, but takes a more defensive approach by capping the maximum weight of any single sector. Its main sectors are financials at around 31 to 32%, energy at around 28 to 30%, utilities at around 13%, and communication services at around 7 to 8%. In this envelope, we have $34.20 for the 300 units we hold. The next envelope is interest from a maturing GIC. A GIC, or Guaranteed Investment Certificate, is a Canadian investment product where you deposit money for a set period, say 1 to 5 years, in exchange for a guaranteed fixed rate of return with full protection of your capital. This month, we closed out 3 GICs, from which we received a combined total of $809.56. The last envelope is interest from the money I'm temporarily holding in a high-interest savings account. Part of it is in US dollars and part in Canadian dollars. Adding it all up, in July we received $57.07. To sum up, the portfolio's value grew in July from dividends and interest by $971.37. That's twice as much as last month. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll go over the portfolio itself, contributions, what I sold, what I bought, and I'll share a list of companies I'm watching for a particular short-term entry. Make sure to subscribe if you want to follow along and see how this goes.